Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC shows weakness to the upside, obviously. As you can see, even though it's moving up a little bit and even though it broke the trend line, that was more the sign that this larger degree wave 4 has started. It finds rejection here, or it gets rejected quite a bit at the 23.6 retracement level of the third wave. So this is resistance currently here, going all the way up to 55.2 cents. For this fourth wave, which means that any rejection here could result in the sell-off in wave 5, ultimately should still lead into the area between 46.5 cents and 48.6 cents. That would be the ideal, you could say, target range for this wave 5. So the view is, even though we broke the trend line at the moment, unless we see an impulse above resistance, above 55.2 cents, followed by a 3-wave pullback, we can't really say that a lasting low has been made. Also, looking at the microstructure, another low would be ideal. So I'm still focused on lower against the 55.2 cent resistance level. As you can see here, if we go to the microstructure, looking at microstructures, this looks very much at the moment like a corrective move to the upside. So what is that? That means we have a lot of overlapping price action. Here this was corrective as well. Quite in contrast to, if you compare that to a more impulsive move to the upside, it's been a while that we've had a nice impulse really on this chart. But yeah, this was all part of a B wave bar we had here. The last bit, for example, was an impulse. That's sort of what we need to see. This stuff is what we need to see, that we can say that something is moving to the upside, yeah? Now, that's not there at the moment, generally not in the crypto world. So let me just adjust back to where we were. So just overlapping and very weak price action, basically, okay? And that overlapping price action just indicates that, surely it could also become a larger corrective move. Wave 4 could extend higher, but it just doesn't give a lot of confidence that a lasting low has been established at this stage. So also looking at potential trend lines, if they sometimes can be useful, maybe a questionable one. I would say maybe if we get a more sustained break below this trend line here, the wave 5 might have started, but that's not really reliable. I would rather rely on this low here at 50 cents, where we had support before a couple of times. And there's also a significant swing low. If the price breaks below that level, that should be a signal for the continuation of the fifth wave here to the downside. And target I highlighted to you, we can make that a little bit more precise as soon as I have a confirmed top in place for wave 4, which, however, at the moment I haven't got. So I think this can still stretch a little higher. I can imagine this becomes a more extended fourth wave because there is lots of space in this resistance area, especially if Bitcoin moves a little higher, which at the moment is still expected. It could do it. It could also stretch a little higher, 52.9 cents. 54 cents are the next key resistance levels within that Fibonacci resistance zone for the fourth wave. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.